Okay, today we've got day 20 of our kitties advent calendar. Maisie giving kisses. Here's day 21. Sorry if I said 20, I don't remember what I said. I'm just going under here because I'm done. Sunglasses and a ball toy. So they're not getting the sunglasses, but they can have this toy. Look, guys, it's a green pom-pom toy. Look, what do you think? You don't care. Look, do you want it? Go get it. Okay, Maisie's interested. Well, kinda. Bear's hungry. But I think it's a success.